Hello, everyone. Have you been catching colds more often lately, or perhaps noticing slow healing wounds or persistent tiredness? If so, please watch this video all the way through. What I'm sharing today could completely transform your health. Let's start with an intriguing study from Carnegie Mellon University. Researchers exposed 400 healthy adults to a cold virus. The result? Those with chronic stress were significantly more likely to get sick, proving that stress alone can severely weaken your body's defenses. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. The impact of stress on our bodies is far more extensive than you might imagine. Right now, countless immune cells in your body are working tirelessly to protect you, battling viruses, bacteria, and even cancer cells. But what happens if stress disarms these brave warriors? When stressed, your body releases large amounts of cortisol, a hormone that helps in short-term danger responses. However, prolonged high levels suppress immune cells akin to friendly fire against your own defenses. A UCLA medical school study found that people under chronic stress tend to have lower white blood cell counts. Since white blood cells are your first line of defense, this increases vulnerability to infections. Even more striking, research, including from Harvard Medical School, has reported a significant link between chronic stress and cancer rates. While not a direct cause, stress is thought to influence cancer growth and spread, showing it's not just a mood dampener but a potential health threat. So, how exactly does stress affect immunity? First, it boosts inflammation. Stress triggers excessive production of inflammatory cytokines, creating chronic inflammation that disrupts normal immune responses like a fire alarm, blaring nonstop, leaving you unprepared for real threats. Second, it impairs T cell function. T cells attack virus-infected or cancerous cells, but chronic stress weakens their activity. Stanford University research confirmed stress significantly reduces T cell performance. Third, it lowers antibody production. B cells produce antibodies to neutralize pathogens, but chronic stress hampers this process. This explains why stressed individuals often get less benefit from flu vaccines. Worse yet, this creates a vicious cycle. Weakened immunity leads to frequent illness, which heightens stress, further degrading immunity and accelerating health decline. But don't despair, there's hope. If stress can harm immunity, managing it can improve it. Studies comparing meditation practitioners to non-practitioners show meditation lowers stress hormones and boosts immune cell activity. Just 20 minutes daily can make a difference. Moderate exercise is another immunity booster. It enhances immune cell circulation and reduces stress hormones. Caution overdoing it like marathon runners. Post-race, can stress the body and lower immunity? Sleep is non-negotiable. Your body regenerates immune cells during sleep. Research shows insufficient sleep sharply reduces infection. Resistance aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Here's an interesting find: laughter boosts immunity. A Japanese study had diabetic patients watch comedy shows, resulting in improved blood sugar levels attributed to reduced stress hormones and enhanced immune activity. Social connections matter too. Harvard's long-term Harvard Happiness Study found people with strong relationships have better immunity and longer lives. Loneliness or isolation harms both mental and physical health, with some studies warning its risk rivals smoking. Diet plays a role. Gut microbiota are key to immunity. Fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, and miso increase beneficial bacteria, supporting immune health. Don't overlook vitamin D. Naturally produced via sunlight, it regulates immune cell function. Studies show low levels heighten respiratory infection risks. Most importantly, shift your mindset about stress. Stanford's Kelly McGonigal found that viewing stress as a challenge or growth opportunity reduces its negative impact. Your attitude can change your body's response. Through this video, you've learned how stress and immunity are linked. Stress affects us more directly than we think, but we have tools to overcome it. Meditation, moderate exercise, quality sleep, laughter, strong relationships, healthy eating, and a positive outlook can protect your immune system and manage stress effectively. Remember, a healthy body isn't built overnight. But starting small changes today can strengthen your immunity, transforming your life for the better. Here's to your healthy tomorrow!